Paper chromatography. Chromatography. What is chromatography? Chromatography is a technique for separating mixtures into their components in order to analyze, identify, purify, and or quantify the mixture or components. Usage for chromatography. Chromatography is used by scientists to analyze, examine a mixture, its components, and their relations to one another. Identify, determine the identity of a mixture or components based on unknown components. Purify, separate components in order to isolate one of interest for further study. Quantify, determine the amount of a mixture and or the components present in the sample. Usage for chromatography. Real life examples of usage for chromatography. Pharmaceutical company determine amount of each chemical found in new product. Hospital detect blood or alcohol levels in a patient's bloodstream. Law enforcement to compare a sample found at a crime scene to samples from suspects. Environmental agency determine the level of pollutants in the water supply. Manufacturing plant to purify a chemical needed to make a product. Definition of a chromatography. Detailed definition. Chromatography is a laboratory technique that separates components within a mixture by using the differential affinities of the components for a mobile medium and for a stationary absorbing medium through which they pass. And the terminology used in the definition: differential means showing a difference, distinctive. Affinity, natural attraction or force between things. Mobile medium means gas or liquid that carries the components, that is mobile phase. Stationary medium, the part of the apparatus that does not move with the sample, and it is known as stationary phase. Definition of chromatography. Simplified definition is it may be illustrated. Chromatography separates the components of a mixture by their distinctive attraction to the mobile phase and the stationary phase. Explanation of this definition. In this explanation, compound is placed on a stationary phase. Mobile phase passes through the stationary phase. Mobile phase solubilizes the components. Mobile phase carries the individual components as certain distance through the stationary phase, depending on their attraction to both of the phases. Illustration of a chromatography. Here it is a mixture. It is stationary phase, and these are mobile phases. This mixture gets separate out. Types of chromatography. Liquid chromatography. Liquid chromatography separates liquid samples with a liquid solvent. Mobile phase, and a column composed of solid beads, and these solid beads, the column of solid beads is known as a stationary phase. Gas chromatography separates vaporized samples with a carrier gas. Mobile phase, and a column composed of a liquid or of solid beads. Stationary phase. Paper chromatography separates dried liquid samples with a liquid solvent. Mobile phase, and a paper strip is here stationary phase. Thin layer chromatography separates dried liquid samples with a liquid solvent, and a glass plate covered with a thin layer of alumina or silica gel. Alumina or silica gel are considered as stationary phase. Principles of a paper chromatography. Capillary action, the movement of liquid within the spaces of a porous material due to the forces of adhesion, cohesion and surface tension. The liquid is able to move up the filter paper because its attraction to itself is stronger than the force of gravity. Solubility, the degree to which a material means solute dissolved into a solvent solute dissolve into solvents that have similar properties like dissolves like. This allows different solutes to be separated by different combinations of solvents. Separation of components depends on both their solubility in the mobile phase and their differential affinity to the mobile phase and the stationary phase.